Welcome to the channel, everybody, and today we're going to be making whipped coffee. First, you want to start by boiling some water. Once you get that down pat, we start with a few scoops of instant coffee. Now here I use not one, not two, but 3 scoops of coffee. Now this is just my personal preference. Same thing with the sugar. I went with, I believe, 2. 1, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I went with 3. 3 tablespoons. Then you add your boiled water. Now this is a little bit tricky because the first time I made this, it wasn't as the texture wasn't where I wanted it to be, so I added a little more water to it, and then you just stir it. You just whisk it up, and then as you see, it gets a little bit better. Starts to get to like a peanut butter texture in a way. Then after you get that done, what you want to do, look at that. Look at that. This is my first time doing voiceover, so I'll get better as the times go. Anyways, after that, you get your glass. You get a glass. You fill it up with ice. And once you get your ice cubes in there, what you want to do is you want to grab some milk. Now, I put way too much milk in this, as you can see. It didn't really affect it in any way. It was still pretty good. Then I went with creamer. Normally they don't put creamer in there, but adding a little bit of creamer to it makes it even better. You add your coffee to it, mix it up until you get it to this texture, this color. And then if you're a fat ass like me, you know, you add a little bit of whipped cream to the top. Now, I didn't add this to the video, but I did add some like chocolate syrup over on top. So try it, let me know what you think.